All right, guys, so today we're going to learn about the levels of financial well being. I really like this quote from Dave Ramsey. It says, "You will either tell your money what to do, or the lack of it will always manage you." This isn't rocket science. You've just got to have a game plan. Dave Ramsey says that nobody is born financially smart, that we actually learn the language of personal finance. And that's the first step to becoming money smart. The language of money is spoken in the vocabulary of accounting. So you have to understand debits and credits and assets and liabilities. And those are all things we're going to talk about throughout the rest of the semester. So what we are going to talk about today is the levels of financial well-being. These levels are not determined by income, but rather how you manage your income. So the first level that nobody really wants to be at, but many people are. In fact, we learned a couple days ago that 7 out of 10 or 70% of families live at this, what is called survival level. At the level of survival, there are simply income, bills, and hope that you're going to have enough money to get you to the end of the month. It doesn't sound like much fun because it isn't. You work for every dollar and you spend every dollar that you earn. This is considered living paycheck to paycheck and is basically barely surviving. Again, 7 out of 10 people live like this in America. The next level is comfort. At this level, you will have a basic understanding of money. There's still income and bills. However, you pay yourself first, which means you put a small amount of money away monthly to save and invest. You're slowly building wealth and moving toward being financially secure, or maybe paying off your bills and debt. So you're not making a lot of money extra, but you do have some extra, and you're using it in a smart way. You're investing it, you're saving it, you're finding ways to set yourself up for financial security later. I think 2 out of every 10 Americans live at this level of comfort. So that would be 20% of Americans live at the level of comfort. Sometimes you start off here at survival and then move yourself into comfort. That's pretty typical. But when I say 20% of Americans live at comfort, that means they live at comfort all the time and don't get out of it. Which also means that 70% of Americans live at survival and never get out of it. The last level is security. Instead of having savings and investing small amounts, you arrange your finances in a way that your money is now making you money. That's right. At this level, your money actually works for you. This is when people own businesses or they have investments where they're making a lot of money off of interest. It's where they own a lot of assets that they don't owe any money on. They actually just paid cash for, or they own them. So only 1 out of every 10 Americans live in the secure level. That means only 10% of people ever live in the secure level for long periods of time. Now, again, you may in life start off here at survival and kind of move towards comfort and eventually end up in secure, but most people create money habits early in life that contribute to where they stay at the level of financial stability, which means that only 10% of people end up or stay in the level of security. Those are the 3 levels of financial well-being: survival, comfort, and security.